Hi all, I'm Guru here guys. I'm back to people. Guys, I'm going to help out the people who wanted to learn the testing using AI powered kind of testing. So what is the difference between the normal automation and AI powered automation? Guys, first we need to understand how best we are going to take help of AI and what exactly this AI is going to help. If I wanted to take a help artificial intelligence, how exactly my being a tester, how exactly I need to look into the project. So understanding the projects, how many enhancements come to the existing projects, how many automation scripts my AI agents has to generate. Here you need to understand what is AI agent, how I am going to use for my automation project work, and I'm using Playwrights and test scripts while working on the project. How my agent is going to help. First you need to understand what is this AI agent, how it is going to help me in testing. Apart from that, we have the prompt engineering. I mean to say how I am going to give a prompt to the particular LLM, which LLM I am going to use, understand the concept of LLM, which LLM I am going to use for my project. Then if I am going to use the particular LLM, I may use a ChatGPT, I may use a Gemini, I may use a Cloud. It depends on my project and my requirement. I need to understand which LLM I am going to use for my testing projects. First, before that, understand how many automation scripts I need to generate using artificial intelligence. If I wanted to generate, first I need to understand what exactly this AI agent is playing a role in between my application and the prompt engineering, which I am going to give you the prompt. Okay. And apart from this, how actually the script have been generated. Have I am taking a use of MCP server, then you need to understand what is this MCP server, how it is going to help me out for generating an automation script. What is the effort, how much effort I may use to reduce my effort. I'm going to use AI. And apart from that, in the testing, right, in the testing automation, normal automation testing, scripts may get failed again and again whenever there is an enhancement to the existing application. But if I am going to use AI, so AI concept is agent is going to inhale the scripts, even though the CSS XPath which is going to change, what agent will do, it will inhale that and it will update the script. That script will get run. Guys, these, before using this AI, right, what are the things we are going to look into the project's points of view? I mean to say, how many automation scripts I am going to generate, how I am going to use AI agents. So what exactly which framework it is going to help me to use this artificial intelligence to work on the automation project. Nowadays, guys, everywhere the AI is going on. My intention is I wanted to help out the people with the best price. How actually you are going to use AI on your project. So I am looking out the people who wanted to learn AI powered testing and who are already getting forced from the management in the team. They are forcing them to use AI on the product. So I need such people. I wanted to help them out. And I want a people who are totally new to the AI testing. So I wanted to hold their finger and I wanted to help them out from the basic, how you are going to execute your projects, testing projects using Playwrights, and how actually this AI powered is going to help us. Guys, it is a best opportunity. Talk to me. If you have any questions, I am there. I am available for you people. So I would like to help you out. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Let me know who all are interested. Go to my YouTube and there is a particular link. You click on that link, you will be back. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in my live project work session with respect to AI power. See you. Thank you.